How to take a passport photo with a Samsung phone. The first step is picking the right background. Passport photos must have a plain white or off-white background, free of shadows or patterns. Find a wall in natural light or use bright lamps to get even lighting. This ensures your photo meets official requirements and looks professional. Next, position your Samsung phone. Hold it at eye level and about 4 feet away from you. Using the rear camera is key because it offers higher resolution and better focus than the front camera. This helps capture a sharp, clear image that passport officials will accept. Before snapping the photo, adjust your camera settings. Turn off any filters or beauty modes to keep the image natural. Disable flash to avoid glare or harsh shadows. Enable grid lines on your camera app to perfectly center your face, ensuring your head and shoulders fit within the required dimensions. Take several shots to choose the best one. When done, use a trusted passport photo app to crop the image to the official 2x2-inch size and check compliance with requirements like head size and position. These apps can also help convert the photo to the correct file format and resolution. Finally, print your passport photo on high-quality photo paper if a physical copy is needed. Alternatively, many applications allow digital uploads. Make sure the file meets size and format rules before submitting. Your Samsung phone just made passport photos easy and affordable. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.